Hello everyone. Today we are going to start chapter 3 of our English Junction book, that is The Village School. Okay, it is an extract from the article in www.thebetterindia.com. Okay, so it is article from this website. In this story, it's about the three young girls who inspire other people in their village for education of girls and all. So in this story, the three girls are giving an interview. Okay, so they are telling what they did in their village. So the three girls are Tabassum, Taranum, and Rubina. So let's start the chapter and read about what they did in their village. Tabassum, Taranum, and Rubina are three inspiring young girls. They have changed the face of the little village of Sajoi near Varanasi for good. There was a time when no child in the village took education seriously. Girls would drop out of school to help their mothers, and the people of the village refused to see the importance of a good education. Okay, so there are three girls in a village Sarjanoi near Varanasi. Varanasi city के पास में Sarjanoi is a village. There are three girls: Tabassum, Taranam, and Rubina. They are so inspiring young girls. They are young girls. Okay, so they in their village, the villagers and all the people are not very fond of educating their child. They don't take education seriously, and the girls would drop out the school. Girls did not study for higher in the village, and they because they help their mother in their daily routine. Okay, so village most of them villages are refused to give education to their children. They don't consider education that important. In our village, nobody studied. We, the three of us, were the only ones who finished school and went on to study further. Some of the children had never even stepped out of the village. The children from the bastis start working at a young age and ignore their education, says Tabassum. So Tabassum was explaining their condition. What was the condition there? She was telling that the three of them, the three young girls, are the only one who had studied, the girls who had studied so much in the village. They went to the school also and went outside to study further also. Other than them, there are no girls in the whole village that study or even stepped out of the village. जो village से बाहर भी निकले हो. They are the only girls who studied so much, and most of the children in the basti is area where people with lower income live. Okay, so in bastis normally everyone start working from a earlier age only. The girls decided to take matters into their own hands. They started going door to door to ask students to go to school. They got in touch with the Human Welfare Association, an NGO in Varanasi, which trained them to take on this challenge and provided them with support. To take matters into their own hands means to decide to do something themselves. So the girls decided that they will go to the door to door to ask students there to come to the school. They will ask all the students, and they also got in touch with the Human Welfare Association. It is an NGO. NGO is like a non-government organization. This NGO helps them to go to the students and ask them to come to the school. All the challenges that will they took, and also help them to provide the equipments to follow their mission. The girls found a small public place where they started a school. The school was meant for children who had never stepped out of their home or had dropped out from school because of problems at home. So they just started a school in the village only for the students who had just didn't go to the school or first time they are going to school, or the students which dropped out from the school. Because of their family problem or home problem, etc. So they just started a school to help all of those students. They just took a small public place in their village and started a school there. It was very difficult in the beginning. Students would just not show up. But we didn't give up. We would go to their houses every day and ask them to come to our school. And finally, after 6 months of doing this, students started coming to school without us having to drag them from their homes. Tabassum recalls. Tabassum also recalls that if in the starting it is difficult for them to bring children to the school because no one is ready to come to the school. They don't know the importance of the education and all, and their parents or their family members are not ready to send them to the school. So they just go daily to the houses of the students and they just ask them to daily come to the school. They drag them to the school, but slowly after almost 6 months, finally students started coming to their school without any pressure without them calling them from the homes. They started coming to the school now daily. In the first month, they had 35 students, but after a year, they managed to enroll over 170 students in the school. However, the battle was only half won. As far as they were concerned, the biggest challenge was to bring in the girls who had left school altogether. So here the battle was only half won means they had only done half of what they had planned to do, and altogether means completely. So as the school grows, in a few months they have 35 students, and after a year, when almost 1 year completed, they have 170 students in their school, but they are not fully won. They are winning is like half only because there is more they are concerned about girls also, who had left the school forever, means they had left the school for their home or their work at the home and all, and they are not going to come back. So the real task of them is now to bring those girls back to the school.